Welcome to our channel. Pet insurance can protect you from unexpected veterinary costs, but policies vary significantly. Follow these step-by-step instructions to choose comprehensive coverage. Step 1. Enroll while your pet is young and healthy. Pre-existing conditions are never covered, so getting insurance before health issues develop ensures broader coverage. Step 2. Compare accident-only plans versus comprehensive plans that cover accidents and illnesses. Comprehensive plans cost more, but provide significantly better protection. Step 3. Review coverage limits carefully. Some policies have per-incident limits, annual limits, or lifetime limits that could leave you with significant out-of-pocket costs. Step 4. Understand the reimbursement structure. Most policies reimburse 70, 80, or 90% of eligible costs after you pay the deductible. Step 5. Check waiting periods for different conditions. Accidents typically have short waits, while illnesses may have 14-day waits, and orthopedic conditions 30-day waits. Step 6. Read the exclusions carefully. Common exclusions include pre-existing conditions, breeding costs, elective procedures, and specific breed-related issues. Step 7. Look for policies that cover hereditary and congenital conditions, which are common in purebred dogs and can require expensive treatment. Step 8. Consider whether you want wellness coverage for routine care like vaccinations and dental cleanings. This increases premiums but spreads out predictable costs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.